'cause you're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the sparks takes me higher, sweetheart. Let me be close to you forever.
Good morning. Good morning, rubber ducky. It's a little after 7 right now. I'm about to put him in his first outfit of the day. And Chad is in the shower. He's getting ready for work. So let's get this on and then let's make some coffee, okay? You only woke up one time last night for the first time in so long. Like, it has to be months. You did really, really good. All I did yesterday is clean the house. It is so clean. I'm actually going to show you before I ruin it. But there's a few lights right here from Wayfair that came in. All the bathroom hardware stuff is still right here. I showed this a couple videos ago. And then in here, the desk is out of here. The rug's out of here. I still need to order a rug. I think by the end of this video, by the end of the day, I hopefully will have found a few more things that I need. Where do you work now?
Right here.
How's your commute? Was there so much traffic this
A lot
morning?
shorter than it used to be, yeah. A little bit of traffic in the morning.
From the living room into the kitchen?
Yeah, I just step over a couple of toys, but it's not bad.
Okay, bye. So I haven't done a day in the life video in a while. It is 9:04. Second cup of coffee already. The first one, I drink it as fast as I possibly can because I like need it. I haven't done a day in the life video in a long time. It's been, I don't know, at least a month, probably longer, because it's just so, things are so strange right now. And I try not to acknowledge it a whole lot in my videos because so many people tell me that watching videos is like an escape from what's going on. But gosh, I just like, so many people are out of work, so many people are sick, people are dying, you know, it's just like so overwhelming. So I hope that you are safe and that you are healthy and that your family's healthy. And if you're out of work, I hope that everything is going okay for you. It's just, it's so weird right now. And Chad is working from home for the most part. He just ran out for something. So I told him, wear your mask, wear your gloves, do you have hand sanitizer, all of that. And he'll be home soon. He just had to like pick up a couple things. So we're home all day, every day. We go for walks a lot, but it's like 30, I think it's a high of 37 today. So we might do a carrier walk. I feel like it's too cold for a stroller walk. But it was like in the 60s for almost a week. So we went for a walk at least once a day, sometimes twice a day, which was really nice. And we went for a drive. I'm trying not to like, I know you're not really supposed to leave your, I mean, if you're in your car, that's one thing, but still, I know you're not really supposed to leave your house, so we haven't been. And it was extended until the 31st of April, but they're saying it will probably be longer. So, you know, we're doing the same thing as you guys, just following the rules and trying to stay home and stay healthy and all of that. I feel like I've never watched so much news in my life as I am right now. So, yes, now I'm going to stop talking about it because I feel like I work myself up and I don't want to work any of you up. So I need a few sips of coffee. And I want to show you guys these leggings because they are so comfortable and I literally look forward to wearing them so much. I didn't do my hair. I need to wash it anyway, but I put on some makeup for the first time in a couple days. Put on a semi-normal outfit. I would really like to work out today. I would like to wash my makeup brushes. I haven't done that in a very long time. I've been meaning to for forever. I spent all day yesterday, I think I said this, but I spent all day yesterday like extreme cleaning the house. I didn't film it because filming, it takes so much longer, and I just needed to get stuff done. Like the laundry room, there's no laundry in there. I think there's like a third of a basket of laundry. There's nothing on the countertop, there's nothing on the shelf, there's nothing hanging. Feels amazing. Everything is like dusted and wiped off and ready to go. So it's so nice that I don't have like 3 loads of laundry to fold in this video or anything like that. It's done. I washed the bedding. I need to put the duvet cover back on the bed, but I'm drinking out of the Forest. Oh, I need to do my nails too. I'm drinking out of the Forest Dad cup because it's too cute. It's an Etsy find. If they're still available, I will link them. I've seen so many people talk about them that I know the shop keeps selling out, but it's a really affordable, really adorable thing to give somebody. I think these are like around $9, $13, something like that. They're not too bad. Okay, I'm trying to like figure out the lighting. It's too light, it's too dark. These leggings are from Lululemon, and I haven't bought anything there in so many years because it's so expensive, but the quality really is like super good, and I just feel like these ones are so flattering because they are higher, and then it has like it goes one way and then it goes the other way, sort of like fabric style. And they like cinch your waist. I just think they're so cute, so comfortable, and they are a cropped style, so they go like, it's not full length, you know what I mean? They are like a few inches shorter than your ankle. So if you're in the market for something like that, I will link them. I was trying to motivate us to like get healthier and get in shape. We're both like, all right, we're gonna do it this time and stay on track and stay healthier. And we started like really small changes of not having like a gallon of ice cream in our shopping cart at the grocery store, you know, like all of those little things that you start doing, and not having like tons of pasta and all of that. So we're gonna do it. We're going to be healthier, and I'm gonna work out in this video. I'm saying it so I do it. So yeah, if you need some leggings, I will link these. I've been meaning to go on Amazon and order a couple of the dupes to like a pair of shorts and a couple tank tops to work out in, because I haven't bought workout clothes in a very, very long time. Good morning. Hi. How was your sweep? What do you think? Was it good? You like it? You wanna go eat and play with me? Are you shocked? You're shocked. Plug in the socky, and then I get the baby, okay? Furry boy. Furry boy. Over here. He likes to ignore us when he wakes up in the morning. Furry boy. I think I see a cute baby. Oh, you love him? Come on, let's go eat. Furry boy is down for his next nap. I have his spit on me, and I'm about to ride the Peloton. I texted Chad, he had a phone call, and he's gonna put Forrest on his phone. Why do my shoes feel small? So I can do this, And I know this is my own fault, but like he cannot self-soothe at all. And I bounce him to sleep for every nap. So I try, like if he wakes up when I'm setting him down, I try and soothe him in his bed and like pat his side and sing to him because that's how I put him to sleep. It will not work. Like he gets so mad. So I'm trying to figure out like a gentle way to or at least a way for me to soothe him in his bed, and nothing's working. I feel like it's either sleep training or not sleep training. Like it's a hard line in the middle of how to get them to self-soothe, and it's starting to get like just so hard, you know, because he's so heavy. So if you have any tips on self-soothing, let me know, because I know we need to do something. Anyways, I think I worked out the last time I filmed one of these videos, so it probably seems like I do this all the time. I don't. I'm trying to. It's so hard to find the time, but I know I need to make the time.
Where you move, make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me.
I only did 15 minutes because I want to do the rower and like ab exercises before Forrest wakes up, and my legs are dead from yesterday, so not great. I had to go get my camera because we're soaking his toes, and he looks so cute with his little belly. Bubby, you got a big belly hanging over your diaper. You're so cute. Are we soaking toes? Show us those toes. Can we see? Can we see your toesies? He goes through phases of ingrown toenails, and then they're totally fine, then they're red, then they're totally fine. So I'm gonna soak his toes a few times today. It's so rolly. What time would you like your next spa appointment? We have another opening around 3:30 p.m. How will that work for you? We accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express. Okay, all right, see you then. Last one, and I wanted to show you what I had for lunch because it's pretty healthy and it's super easy. It actually comes in frozen packs from Costco, but if you want to make it at home, it's like so inexpensive and it will go a long way, like several lunches. All right, it's called Southwest Mango Quinoa Blend in the frozen section, and it comes in these individual bags. There's several in here. And on this package, it says 5 minutes in the microwave, but on the white packages, it says 3.5 to 4. So I do 3.5, and then I think it's kind of plain, honestly, without salsa added. So I add in salsa verde. It's quick, it's easy, it's healthy. It's way healthier than like a sandwich with thick, fluffy bread, which is what I would eat if I wasn't eating this. And even if you want to make this on your own and buy the quinoa and then like the black beans and corn and all of those ingredients, it's fairly inexpensive and would last you like a whole week of lunches. So I really like this because it's very flavorful. That's the thing with so many healthy foods, is they're like really bland, and this one is not, so it is still like satisfying. That perfectly clean house I was bragging about earlier, starting to get messy. All right, man, I think we have a date right now. Can I have you, please? Do you want to put the carrier on? He loves the carrier so much, like he sees it and he stops crying. I wanted to put this on a tripod so you guys could actually like see me put it on, but I'm afraid he's going to start screaming and Chad is on a work phone call. So hopefully you can tell it's the one I talked about in a baby essentials video. Did your dad wear this? It's too big for me. Give me one leggy, two leggy. Okay, hold on. Is this one done up? This one's done up. Give you a little more room. Okay, and then I grab my phone and I play white noise and I put it in this pocket and he literally loves it. You want good night? He's not acting like it, but he does. Just had dinner and Chad is putting Forrest down right now. He always uses a recording of me singing and I think it's the funniest thing because I'm such a bad singer, but Forrest like loves it. So we just had some chicken, vegetables, and baked potato. I didn't film it because while Chad was cooking he was wearing his underwear, so didn't film that, but that's what we had for dinner. He marinated a bunch of chicken breast. We did home delivery for groceries this last time and only was available in like really big quantities. So we have a lot of chicken to eat throughout the next week or two. It's snowing and now it's sunny and then it's snowing and then it's sunny. It's been such a weird day. But I have some work on my computer. I need to do the kitchen. All the work I did yesterday is over. The kitchen's a disaster. I just came up into Forrest's room so I could do an outro for you because he's sleeping in our room. I was downstairs and Chad just fell asleep, so I didn't want to wake him up by talking loud. Some of our neighbors are walking by and we've only met a couple people, and then with everyone else it's like an awkward hello from across the street because of social distancing. Like we can't walk up to each other, you know. And there's so many families with little kids that we're very excited about because Forrest is gonna have so many friends here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I do anything else worth sharing tonight, you will have already seen it before this outro, but I'm sure you can tell from my voice I'm exhausted. It's been a long day, it's been a long few days, so I'm gonna take a long shower, shave my legs, self-tan, and do all the things. I hope you enjoyed this. Like it if you did. Subscribe if you're new here. I would love to have you. There are links below. Check them out. And I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye.